Friends, today we will talk about a business that can generate considerable income throughout the year. Yes, it is a small business that produces mango pulp. Mango, the king of fruits, has a captivating taste and aroma, but it is available only for a few months. So if you can bring this wonderful taste to the people throughout the year, it will bring you a good income. And it is not only a seasonal business, it is in high demand not only in India but also abroad. Although today this business is not yet facing strong competition. So, do you want to make a profit throughout the year by bringing the taste of this king of fruits, mango, to the people throughout the year? Watch this video till the end because we will see in detail how to start a mango pulp production business and how to build a big business from a small company. Friends, before that, if you are visiting our channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends. So come on, let's explore in detail each step required to start this wonderful business. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Mango pulp has a huge market potential not only in India but also globally, as it is used in various food and beverage industries such as juices, jams, jellies, yogurt, ice cream, sweets and bakery products. Moreover, the global fruit pulp market is now worth over $1 billion, and the demand for mango pulp exports from India extends to the Middle East, Europe and the US. This shows that this business has a strong hold not only on the domestic market but also on the international market. India is the number one producer of mangoes, so even if you start small by adding value to it as mango pulp, you can make huge profits by exporting it. Where to get training? Friends, now you may have a question, where can we learn about this mango pulp making industry? But don't worry. To know more about this industry, you can learn about machine usage, hygiene standards and quality control from National Small Industries Corporation (NSIC), Krishi Vigyan Kendras (KVKs), Central Food Technology Research Institutes (that's CFTRI), and many other government and private institutions that provide food processing training. Or you can get information online on the official MSME website and private platforms like Udemy or Skill India, where you can get complete information about fruit processing, hygiene, and packing standards. Location and space selection. Next, talking about the space required, you will need at least 500 to 1000 square feet of space to start a small-scale manufacturing business. For a large-scale manufacturing business, you should have enough space to store raw materials, set up machinery, and pack the finished product as per your convenience. Importantly, when you choose a location, keep in mind that the location should be close to common manufacturing areas, wholesale market, or raw material market, so that transportation costs are reduced. Also, good electricity, water supply, and easy access to transportation are essential. Get raw material. The most important raw material for making mango pulp is well-ripened mangoes. Mango varieties like Alfonso, Kesar, Totapuri and Neelam, which are high-quality, fully ripe, sweet and fiber-free mangoes, are in high demand for pulp production. Friends, mangoes are not available in all months in India, so it is best to buy mangoes directly from farmers' orchards or in bulk from local wholesale fruit markets during the prime mango season from March to August. Also, preservatives, sugar and aseptic bags, cans and bottles and other items can be purchased from local wholesale markets or chemical suppliers. Buy machinery. To start a mango pulp manufacturing business on a small to medium scale, you will need a fruit pulping machine, which separates the seeds and skin from the mango and extracts the pulp. Along with this, you will also need ancillary equipment like a mango washing machine, a blanching unit, a blending tank, a boiler, and a packing machine. Conceal, aseptic bags, and filling. These machines can be purchased from food processing machinery manufacturers or dealers located in many cities in India. Apart from that, you can also find reliable suppliers on online B2B platforms like IndiaMart, Alibaba, and Trade India. Required investment. Talking about the investment in this business, you may need 2 to 7 lakh rupees as a small-scale startup capital to start a mango pulp manufacturing business with basic machinery, raw materials, and packaging. On the other hand, if you want to set up a large-scale production system that includes semi-automatic machinery and cold storage facilities, you will need to invest 15 to 25 lakhs or more. Importantly, this investment amount is only an estimate because the prices of machinery and raw materials can change at any time. Therefore, you can research well and plan your investment based on your budget and target productivity. Licenses and permits. You need several mandatory licenses and permits to start a mango pulp manufacturing business legally. The most important of which is the FSSAI license or registration, as it is important for packaging and labeling your mango pulp products. And also need to obtain a trade license, Udyog Aadhar MSME registration, and GST registration from the local municipality or Gram Panchayat. If you are setting up a large unit, you mainly need a Pollution Control Board NOC certificate. Finally, if you want to export, you need to obtain APEDA registration for exporting agricultural products. Production process. Friends, this process is very simple. First, you need to select good quality ripe mangoes, wash them thoroughly, and then blanch them in boiling water to soften their outer surface. After this, these mangoes are then peeled, seeds are removed and placed in a pulping machine, where the machine separates the pulp from the seeds and peels it. After this, the pure pulp is pasteurized or sterilized at 80 to 90 degrees Celsius, which kills any microorganisms present in it and increases its shelf life. Finally, this hot pulp is cooled and filled into airtight containers, cans or aseptic bags, sealed and allowed to cool, which will keep it safe for a year. Marketing and sales. Now let's talk about sales. To market and sell your mango puree, you first need to focus on an attractive brand name and high quality packaging. Next, you can sell your mango puree directly to local bakeries, restaurants, hotels, juice shops and ice cream and confectionery manufacturing companies, wholesale distributors and exporters. Also, if you want to switch to B2C, you can introduce your brand and list it on online marketplaces like Amazon, Flipkart and BigBasket. Mainly, promote your product online through social media like Instagram, Facebook and a professional website. Lastly, since these are in high demand abroad, you can also attract a lot of foreign customers by registering with export companies. So friends, this mango pulp business is a golden opportunity. You can become a successful entrepreneur bringing the taste of the king of fruits to people all year long. With the right training, planned investment and maintaining high standards, you will definitely succeed in this business. So what are you waiting for? Complete your research, implement your plan, and start this sweet and profitable journey. So if you want to know more information about this business, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.